So today in the object oriented programming video lecture we will learn about UML, that is the Unified Modeling Language. So this language is not a programming language. This is not a language used for human communication. This is a modeling language which tells us how to draw certain diagrams related to codes. So to analyze complex code, what people were doing, they were representing the various parts of the code and the interactions among them using some kind of models, or you can say diagrams. But what was happening, they were trying to present a summary of the whole thing, but in effort of doing so, what they have done is they have designed their own conventions. So each group of software engineers was having their own different conventions. So this was a major weakness of those diagrams, because the diagrams drawn by one person in a group of software engineers can't be understood by some other person in some other group of software engineers. So this lack of proper communication and also lack of a common standard across was a major problem in this case. So UML came in the form of this kind of standard. So let's see what are the uses of UML. So it's very good if we have written some code and we want to explain a group of people what we have coded. So you can draw a simple UML diagram and show to your colleagues that, look, these are the classes I have drawn, I have coded, and these are the interactions between these classes, etc. So as a part of this language, what we call as a language, this unified modeling language, there are a lot of different kind of diagrams, like class diagrams. Then there are interactions are represented by use case diagrams, class diagram, and a lot of other diagrams are also a part of this unified modeling language standard. So why it's called unified? Because it's kind of uniform all across and contains a lot of diagrams also. And modeling, because it's used to draw some models or diagrams to represent your code. So for further lectures, class diagrams will be used. So we will be studying design patterns as a part of this object-oriented programming lectures, in which these class diagrams are really helpful to understand the concept of these design patterns. So you don't need to worry about what these mean now. As we proceed, you will get to know. So we'll look at class diagrams in the next lecture. Okay, thank you friends.